Finsbury Park, which is just there. Hang on. Finsbury Park. Now this station, it's kind of complicated to you, but kind of isn't to me. Oh, train coming. They are frequent. Right, check out this roof. And the other platform over there. This is the old Great Northern and City Railway platform. The other one just there. Until about the 1960s and the Victoria line went, no, we're having them, get lost. This one's the Victoria line. That one over there is the Piccadilly line. And just to think one night, I think, that it just went and swapped the Piccadilly line from its own platform, which is there, to be cross-platform interchange with the Victoria line, and same on the other side. Piccadilly and Victoria line arriving at the same time. Right, we leave the 1960s and on to the 1906. Change here for Victoria National Rail Services. Here's the other old Great Northern City roof and platform. To Hammersmith. Oh, okay. Now I'll sit here then, don't bother removing your coat. Roll your bag. Don't bother removing your bag. To Hammersmith. Hey! That's the best bit about the Finsbury Park. That was actually the crossover for the buffers at the end of the platform. But I think in just one night they decided to unhook Piccadilly line tracks, swap it to the other side, and the Victoria line.
Next station is Arsenal.
No, back then it's Gillespie Road. I think in just one night, they decided to switch the Piccadilly and Great Northern Line platforms round. So now the Great Northern Line rises to the surface, and the Victoria line and the Piccadilly line now have the old platforms.
The next station is Holloway Road.
Been with this city for 30 years now.
This is Holloway Road. This is a
Piccadilly line service to Heathrow Terminals 2 and Terminals 2 and 3. The old compressor. I wonder if Jeff Marshall will ever attend this farewell tour.
The next station is Piccadilly Road.
Change for London Overground from Caledonian Road in Barnsbury. Don't ever walk from Caledonian Road to Caledonian Road in Barnsbury. It's an incredible long way. Recommend getting the bus. And that's a fact.
Says over the doors.
Have you heard that before? I mean, now you decide to walk a bloody bag. You didn't want to do it when I wanted to sit there. Trust.
A customer service update due to a shortage of trains. Piccadilly line no service, Raiders Lane to Uxbridge, severe delays on the rest of the line. Anyone on this train who needs to go to Raiders Lane, East Coast, Brighton Piccadilly, go down Uxbridge and change. Next station, King's Cross St Pancras, use the Metropolitan line. Anyone on this train who needs to go to Ely Common, North Ely, Park Royal, Hamilton, Surrey Town, Surrey Hill, and South Narrow, change at Acton Town, Raiders Lane shuttle service. We need to go between Raiders Lane and Uxbridge. Take the Metropolitan line from King's Cross St Pancras, which will save you 5 minutes time.
The next station is King's Cross St Pancras. Change for Victoria, Wycombe, Hammersmith City, Metropolitan Circle lines, and national and international rail services. Behind for Royal National Institute of the Blind. Please remember to keep all your personal belongings with you at all times. Report any unattended item or suspicious behaviour to a member of staff or police officer.
In other words, text 61016 and we will get it sorted. See
This
you
is a
soon.
Piccadilly line service to Heathrow Terminal 4.
Oh, what's 2 and 3? Remember the 3 S's. See it, say it, sorted. That's the best thing I'm going to miss about the 1973 stop. When it slows down. The doors and the hissing sound before it leaves. God, that's going to be so missed.
British Museum.
I feel like the platform's going to be behind me.
The next station is Piccadilly and Brompton and change for the Central Line.
Which I'll do next year because I literally cannot be asked to try and find it. Holborn, wherever you pronounce it. It's not opposite from Finsbury Parks, I believe. And that Emma Street Tower.
Like not en suite, shared by the I was going to say that's how much I pay for an ensuite.
Is Covent Garden, a light for London's Transport Museum.
If it gets delayed, in a sense, I want it to get delayed. Yeah. An hour to
Covent Garden, a light here for London's Transport Museum. This is a Piccadilly line service to Heathrow Terminals 4 and Terminals 2 and 3.
Please use all the doors aboard the train. Move right down the side of the cars, use all the available space. This train is ready to depart for Heathrow Terminal 4. Stay with the closing doors, please.
If you own Train Simulator Classics, which you should do, and if you own the Virtual District Line, which I also do, you can get to drive the Piccadilly Line's 1973 style.
The next station is Leicester Square. Change for the Northern Line.
Bloody hell, that was fast. I have a feeling that drivers can see Covent Garden from the tunnel of Leicester Square, from the end of the platform. I swear they do. In fact, the other way around as well.
Leicester Square. Change here for the Northern Line. This is a Piccadilly line service to Heathrow Terminals 4 and Terminals 2 and 3.
So I was trying to be like, kiss the keys. Yeah, I just did the reaction like
The next station is Piccadilly Circus. Change for Lincoln Park.
And like, I think one of the other things that we done is
Nearly there. Look out on the other side of the train. I think it's on that side, I think. This side, I can't remember. For one or two district stations. Brompton Road and Down Street.
Next station is Hyde Park.
When you see something that looks unusual, speak to a member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
This is Hyde Park. The next station is Knightsbridge. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
See you, mate.
No, it's fine. I've got 2 grandchildren. No, don't.
Down Street. Brompton Street Disused Station.
This house got one.
South Kent.
Station is South Kensington. Change for the District and Circle lines. Alight for the museums and the Royal Albert Hall.
I guess South Kent is not better than Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
South Kensington. Change here for the District and Circle lines. Alight here for the museums and the Royal Albert Hall.
Oh God.
Station is Gloucester Road. Change for the Circle line.
Put it on my bag because, yeah.
The next station is Change for the District line.
And other district line services to other destinations.
Please remember to keep all personal belongings with you at all times. Report any unattended item or suspicious behaviour to a member of staff or a police officer.
Or in other words, text 61016. Remember the 3 S's. See it, say it, saw it. Saw it, mate. After forever not seeing the bloody daylight, it is that's the next station. Baron's Court. much darkness. I don't know. Daylight!
This
Finally.
station is Barron's Court. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Change for the district line.
Oh, into daylight. Station approaching. Apply brake, not too much. Stop. I wonder if we'll leave at the same time. Fingers crossed. Come on.
The train alongside is to Richmond.
Right. Right.
Please mind the gap.
Oh no!
Change here for the district line.
There's a seat there if you want it. Don't worry about it then. Well, the Piccadilly line may be able to catch it up. Don't bother moving then. Oh well. Oh god. That's where we haul in the district line. See?
The next station is Hammersmith. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Change for the district and Hammersmith city lines.
This is a district line train to Richmond. I wonder who will leave at the same time. This train terminates here. All change. Where 1906 stops.
Please mind.
Yes! Leaving at the same time. Yes! That's what I like to see, a race. How brilliant.